Okay, so we're going to complete a two-way table. Two-way tables are about presenting information in two directions. We split up the boys and girls data in the row direction, and we've got the categories of the colour of their eyes in the column direction. And two-way table has totals along the bottom and totals down the side. So all the row numbers must add up to 12 here, and all the column numbers must add up to 30 here. So we can see here then that the missing answer 5 plus 4 is 9, so we need 3 here to make 12 as a total. Coming downwards in brown eyes, 3 plus 7 is 10, so there must have been 10 with brown eyes. Because we can fill in the missing data here, all these three digits here, these three numbers here must have added up to 30. We've got 19 so far, so if we take that away from 30, we've got 11. This column here, 5 plus something must have given us a total of 11. So the missing number there is 6. 11 take away 5 is 6. We've got 12 plus something gives us 30. So 12 plus 18 is 30. And this row then, 6 plus 7 plus something must give us 18. 6 plus 7 is 13, so we're missing 5. And the check there helps us to see that we're okay, because 4 plus 5 is 9. So that two-way table has been completed by filling in the missing numbers, by recognising that columns add up to the bottom number there, so 30, and rows must add up to the end number, and so forth. Okay, so question 12 talks about 28 red pens and 84 black pens. It says write down the ratio. So as soon as you see that word ratio, then to me it's best that you write down some headings. So red in ratio to black. Fill in the numbers that we know. Well, there's 28 of those to 84 of those. It says write down the ratio of the number of red pens, with those first, to the number of black pens. Give your answer in simplest form. So again, we're highlighting the key information in preparation of thinking about what the question actually wants. So we want it in simplest form, then we need to see if the numbers in the ratio will cancel through by dividing by the same factor. So if we look at 28 and 84, if we know our times table as well, then we can see that they're both in the 7 times table. So both will divide by 7. So 28 divided by 7 is 4, and 84 divided by 7 is 12. So 4 and 12. But then when we look at these two numbers, we can see that 4 and 12 both have a common factor, actually 4. So we shall have to go to the simplest form possible. So we're going to divide by 4 as well. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So the answer here then is 1 to 3. Let's just check. 1 times 28 gives us 28, and 3 times 28 should give us 84. So 3 20s are 60, 3 8s are 24, 60 plus 24 is 84. So our check kind of works going backwards as well. So that's how to work with simplifying a ratio.